Since 1975, at JOM, we have been manufacturing metal parts and components for customers who need to assemble their products with maximum reliability. Our response capacity begins in the warehouse. Smart, automated, and directly connected with the production lines, where our high-precision laser cutting section can deal with a wide variety of materials, and with the highest quality parts polishing processes. We design and build our own progressive and sequential molds and dies. With wire-cut EDM and CNC machining equipment, adapting to the requirements of each project. We do all this in close collaboration with our customer, optimizing costs, precision and finishes right from the engineering phase. Our facilities house machinery for bending and metal stamping processes. We execute high-precision bending on pieces up to 3 meters long. We work on metal stamping with progressive and sequential molds and dies, in high-tonnage presses, and also complete processes started with laser cutting and bending. Our welding section couples the knowledge of expert operators with the reliability of robotic. We undertake MIG, TIG and laser welding, always choosing the process that best suits each joint or seam. From the start of each new project, we apply quality controls right up to delivery, with finishes in line with customer requirements. From the initial phase, we build prototypes to validate design, define the manufacturing processes and controls, to standardize each part and guarantee its repeatability. Innovation drives our work. We invest in R&D, automation, precision measurement and continuous improvement. We manufacture metal components for diverse sectors. At JOM, we transform metal into solutions.